All right, what's going on, guys? I have a interesting play to go over. It was a cool play. We have the live example from the stream. It was a pretty cool call out, but the thing about it was mispriced options. So you guys have heard me talk about this and why I'm, so fascinated about it with this play. One, I did it in real time. You could hear me talking about it in the example I'm going to show. So again, another one of those cool examples. I could say whatever I want, after the fact. You get to watch me. I talk about the trade live when, this option was at $139, sold it for $700 later that day. And I'm still holding another one of these. And this was from one of the videos. So it was about $200 into 2000. As you see, after everything, I only netted like 364. So I want to talk about that because there's a strategy with this. I want to go over, you're seeing how I hedged it. If you guys have watched the live streams, again, you've seen me talk about this. So that too, if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about options, trading, all that. We stream every single day live. So you'll see the example, and I'm going to put the example at the end. I'm going to discuss all the points I want to and then play the live or the clip from the live trading. But if you guys are new, make sure you have that subscribe with the post notifications, get the bell on there so you get notified when we turn the stream on, and drop a like if you like this video. It helps us out. But yeah, let's talk about this whole Tilray thing and why I played it, and even in the stream too, what other weed stocks there is to talk about. It's 2019. This is now the first week of January we're seeing this happen, and this time seasonally with the weed stocks, if you remember 2014 or any other time, that's why I want to talk about this now. This is seasonally, it's that time of year, boys. So weed is a good time. I think this, weed stocks haven't been around, but from 2014, it seems like January is when things start to pop off. But, with the news that it came out, that's not the main thing here we want to look for is the mispriced options. But, my whole thing, what I'm saying is that coming into January, I've talked about this. I said that on the clip, how in the last video, ever since the Anheuser-Busch, there was Tilray, but then during this day, I also played CGC. Let me see, where's that thing come from? So CGC, there you go. That was another 500. Isn't that funny? I made more money on CGC, and this was just playing it within those days. I got one from the 2nd to 9th, and again, I sold that the other day. But all of these plays, I actually did the CGCs. That was the last video I went over. But you see, we were able to get more. We were able to do the Tilray. It was a good opportunity. So I talked about why, but now we have more reasons. But now what happened is Tilray shot up the other day. It went up off of the news that they said that they're not going to sell out of their offering, or that pretty much once the lockup expires, they said they're not going to sell it. The market reacted very, very well. Again, the amount of volume, and we saw what could happen here. So who knows? I'm holding another position on Tilray, and I bought this on January 8th, about the day before. And I discussed this because this trade, I did it live, and I said I have to buy it because I started purchasing since December 20-something after I made that video. And every week I was just making sure I'd get some of these calls, and I'd spend about $100. And that's what happened here. You see here on this play what occurred. I bought on the 28th, I bought a call for that, then 1 week out, $138. It expired. I didn't even get to sell it. I lost $138. And then I bought this weekly, but I also bought that other one last, the 2 days before that. I was up. I played the weekly, and then you'll see during the clip now, the whole aspect of this play was that, and this is what people were saying on Twitter, they were talking about how the Januaries and Februaries and Marches, the contracts were so close price, but essentially January's costed the same prices as March. And there was a bunch of pretty much the chain was so spread out that you were able to get longer and shorter durations. So I got a good deal on this. I called out the hundreds on the stream too, but where I really messed up is I could have gotten more money for this. But essentially too now, this is something you should notice, that the February contract, it didn't gain as much as the shorter duration. And again, I got in the money. I sold this about $5 in the money. So again, that's the reason why. But the thing about it was the volatility. So I want you guys to see it in real time. In the clip, I discuss it and go over that because that's probably the most important part. But then as it went up the next day, after I tried to hedge it actually before, and I got some puts, $84, $40 each. They didn't work. But after the whole week and the losses now, I'm still up 364. But then what's the key? I still have 700 bucks here. This was at 1,000, but I'm going to hold this coming into it. But either way, I'm going to walk away. The whole idea now, this is like the rolling over. I'm walking away with profits no matter what. There's no way I'm going to lose any money on this play, even if this goes to zero. So that's the idea. You want to maximize your profits. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then again, like I said, with the CGCs, that's pretty much the most important stuff to notice. But how did we find these mispriced options now? You could see from the beginning, it's going to be the implied volatility, what I waited for. And as I said it in the video, the key that it's like, how do you know it's mispriced is getting in the money. You want to be able to say if by expiration, and I went on a rant on this on stream, is that by expiration, if I spent $100 and, I saw that at the time, I think I bought, it was $100 on, expiration, but for Tilray to move $4 or like $2 or something. And again, there's another big factor I said that I think a lot of people miss is the amount of money you put out there. I said it on the stream live. I said throw 20 bucks, $40. You see how I'm guiding everybody on there, and I'm saying, hey, wait till it comes down. The best way how I played this, I would throw 100 bucks out with some time. That February one, I bought it. I got a month of time on Tilray for 130 bucks. Now it's at 1,000. I can hold it, do whatever. But even on the weeklies were a little more expensive, more risk. But in general, you see I'm throwing small amounts, and that's about it. You got to be careful. And that's my whole idea. I would kept rolling over. If you guys watch the CGC, that play too, that's exactly what I just did. I kept rolling over and rolling over and rolling over. So, yeah, that pretty much explains it all. You guys can watch the clip. Let me know what you think. And, yeah, subscribe, and I love you. I'm not going to have an outro at the end of that. So once that clip's over, yeah, make sure I better see you guys there at 6 a.m. Peace. These are Boeing. I say Tilray. You guys could keep up Boeing. I'm going to do Tilray, Boeing, and something else I wanted. Oh, shit. I forgot what I wanted. AMD's down. Oh, Nvidia. Boeing, Tilray, Nvidia. That's what I'm going to watch. So you guys keep up Boeing. I'll put Tilray here. And then I'm going to put up Nvidia. My other one, I think those are 3 to look at right away. As always, get ready. We got some Nvidias. We live. I'm grabbing a Tilray weekly. I found a cheap one where the spread isn't too fucked up. Actually, no, it is bad. Oh my god, why did I ever do that? Yeah, I grabbed one. I grabbed a weekly on Tilray. It's kind of early. That's an option within 2 minutes like that. But I have the other one. Even my puts on Tilray are up. My call will actually call went from like $1 to $4, but still, those Starbucks puts, the February's went up 50%. I got some Amazons, but nothing too crazy here. Wow. So Tilray, here's something interesting. Right now, I got that option, and my option went up 10%, and the stock dropped. There, it's going down. Oh my gosh, no way, those Tilrays. Yeah, dude, those Tilrays I just bought, oh my gosh. You guys, the weeklies are super cheap. I think the next level, there's these Tilray 100s. They're $1. It's more expensive, but the one I just bought, oh my gosh, that's crazy. The ones I just bought just tripled. Those are expensive. They are. That's the thing. Here's the key with the Tilray. It's not about, you just put a little bit amount of money. I'm trying to find relative, if you could find something wait till it comes down. When you guys could get something that's going to be close to the money for 20 bucks, it's going to be crazy. Like, I'm in the money right now. I bought that contract. I'm in the money, and I got it for $1. Well, about to be in the money. I was just in it. I got a 95 for $1.50 or $1.90. But I have the other 100 one for, I have 100 for February, which is amazing. Amazon's ripping. Amazon's ripping, but still down. So I love the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna get here. Sorry, guys, in the chat. I haven't been checking this out. I'm watching the Tilray. Oh, did anybody watch Boeing? Anything on Boeing? Boeing actually just bounced hard. What else? Nvidia. Nvidia made the move. I kind of like Nvidia, but I didn't see. Let me check the option chain on it. Actually, I didn't look at Nvidia. I was slacking. I've been on Tilray. I like Tilray a lot. I think you guys, I don't like the. Maybe someone checked the puts. I don't like the puts, but I think if Nvidia is going to have this vol, this is looking great for Nvidia. Or excuse me, Tilray. Tilray. Excuse me. The fact that it's just moving up like this, it's holding, it's giving 82 to 93. This is why think about why those weeklies I just got were so crazy. This doesn't look like a lot. That's a $10 move in 1 minute. So if it's making $4 moves in 7 minutes, you guys, the velocity right now on this is high. So whenever you see a premium crush, try to spot a play. You guys should be pulling up an option chain, noticing it. I did it quicker. That's it. Maybe I'm gonna fucking do it on this account. You guys, this is straight gambling, and it's crazy. But this is one of those. This is a good opportunity. I want you guys to watch this option chain. I'm telling you. I already have one of those plays. I'm gonna find another one. See, like these are going for. I got these at 130, I think 130 or 150, but that was me here, and they've just doubled. But I want to wait. I like. Now these were for 100 too. Could have got these for 90, 50 cents. See, those are 170 now. Tilray's probably ripping. But again, getting in the money if it makes a crazy play, this is what you want. MTM. Nvidia, man, fuck. I have the Nvidias are cheap, but I don't know how far it'll go. Maybe next week's. I'll be checking next week's on the video. Oh, there you go, Tilray. Jeez, I can't. Man, I was gonna get those hundreds too. I told you. I said this in the video and everything. What is CGC doing? Fuck. Don't miss CGC. Yo, yeah. Switch to CGC right now. You might be able to get a play on that. I grabbed some CGCs. That's a good one. Because with CGC, I forgot. CGC is kind of what started it. But Tilray has both the walkout. CGC was recommended by Kramer. So they're both, they're running in conjunction. The thing by Tilray is good because of the dollar movements. That's what you want, Like I'm $2 in the money now. That's crazy. Those are solid. The market's coming down now. Facebook, all that. But CGC's kind of coming up here. I got 5 options. I pay a good amount for some. Dude, yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. Some of these weed stocks, you guys are going crazy. I'm going to go for the next week's. Wait, actually. So wait, here's the thing. You guys see these weed stocks, they're kind of going nuts. I'm sure you guys like these, but here's what I'll tell you is the real play after this. Wait till the big drop. There's going to be one of these bigger drops. Tilray kind of looks like it's struggling here, but that's what I'm going to wait for to get in. Yeah, CGC is going up too. I like it. That's what I'm saying. Now, when you guys see how we got there. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back. Sorry, guys, with the chat. I'm watching this literally. Look at CGC. Like I said with Tilray, we got the Tilray. I just picked up. I'm up 30% now on those CGCs. So you guys, it's fast moving, but that's why I'm saying wait till it comes down too on any of these. I don't know if you guys want to see Tilray on here. I'm keeping up Tilray. I think we could put up the SPY, but that one's ancient.